How to install Minecraft app on mobile. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So currently I'm on an Android. Now the process on an Apple device is going to be very simple and straightforward, the same as Android over here. So in Android, you can easily just open your Google Play Store and click on search and click on the search bar over here on the top section. After that, simply search for Minecraft. And over here, you should be able to find the option Minecraft Play with Friends, which will cost a specific amount of money depending on where you are. For my location, it would cost $1. And after paying this with your Google Pay or your credit card or your bank, you should be able to easily install Minecraft and be able to play with your friends. For Apple, simply do the same thing but with the App Store, where you open the App Store, click on search, search for Minecraft in your App Store, and you should be able to see Minecraft as well and how much it would cost to download and install. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.